Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for March 23rd of 2025 is titled Ancient Ogunquit Beach on Mars. So what do we see here? Well, here we see an area that looks like a beach on Mars. Now, Mars does not have liquid water currently, but there is evidence of liquid water in the past. And currently there is plenty of water on Mars. It's just that because of the temperatures and atmospheric pressures on Mars, it is no longer able to be a liquid, but is instead known as a solid. So we have ice on Mars, either as a permafrost below the surface, or even tied up in the polar ice caps, a portion of which are a permanent water ice cap. Now this is actually a large panorama looking around 360 degrees. And we're seeing the entire region here. And it actually has a resemblance to Ogunquit Beach on Earth. So there is a similar beach. And when we look at this, we can see some of the sands, the darker colored areas here. And some of those have been scooped up for analysis to be studied a little bit better. And the other areas, the lighter colored, would be more of the floor. And that is likely a sedimentary rock. Now, sedimentary rocks formed in water are known only on Earth and Mars. And every other planet we look at, we see volcanic rocks, but we don't see anything formed from water. And that means that these are really the only two objects we know of in the solar system that have had at some point liquid water on their surface. And that, of course, leads us to thinking as to whether there can be life there. And could there still be life on Mars? Certainly not any kind of complex civilization or advanced life forms, but some kind of basic microbial life could still exist. And while the surface is being constantly sterilized by ultraviolet light from the sun, below the surface, it is still possible that something could be there. So here what we're really seeing is the edge of a beach and a part of a lake bed. So regions that were at one time actually liquid water standing on the surface of Mars. And again, that's very unusual in our solar system. We don't see liquid water too many places because water is only liquid in a certain range of temperatures and pressures. So most places are either too hot or too cold, or too little atmospheric pressure to be able to contain liquid water. Mars is currently at that state. But at one point in the past, this would have been a great lake on the surface of Mars. So that was our picture of the day for March 23rd of 2025. It was titled Ancient Ogunquit Beach on Mars. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Moon Goes Dark. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.